Hey YouTube, if you enjoy these videos, please like, share, and subscribe for more exploring the American frontier. William Henry Ashley was a co-founder of the Rocky Mountain Fur Company, who led 100 men along the Missouri River on trapping expeditions. The men became known as Ashley's 100. A native of Virginia, Ashley moved west in 1803 to St. Genevieve in what was then called Louisiana and would later become Missouri. In 1808, he moved to St. Louis, where he earned a small fortune manufacturing gunpowder from a saltpeter mined in a cave near the headwaters of Missouri's current river. Serving in the Missouri Militia during the War of 1812, he was elevated to the rank of Brigadier General. In 1822, Ashley and business partner Andrew Henry, a bullet maker whom he met through his gunpowder business, decided to form the Rocky Mountain Fur Company. To prepare for their adventure, they posted advertisements in St. Louis's newspapers seeking 100 enterprising young men to ascend the River Missouri to its source, there to be employed for 1, 2, or 3 years. The men who responded became known as Ashley's 100. For the next 3 years, the Rocky Mountain Fur Company made several large-scale fur trapping expeditions in the West. It was Ashley's idea for trappers, Indians, and traders to meet annually in a predetermined location to exchange furs, goods, and money. They called it the Mountain Man Rendezvous. The first Mountain Man Rendezvous took place on Henry's Fork of the Green River in Wyoming in 1825. Ashley's innovations in the fur trade earned him recognition, money, and helped to open the western part of the continent to American expansion. In 1826, he sold the trading company to Jedediah Smith, William Sublett, and David Jackson and moved on to politics, becoming a U.S. representative. When Missouri was admitted to the Union, Ashley was elected the first lieutenant governor. Ashley died of pneumonia in 1838 and was placed atop an Indian burial mound in Cooper County, Missouri. When it comes to the fur trade, William Ashley and his men certainly left their mark on the American frontier. Before you go, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel where we explore stories from the frontier weekly here on Exploring the American Frontier YouTube. And as always, get out there and explore. Thanks, guys.